All right, we got little Austin over here. He just rebuilt the slow motor for the upper motor stack in this Leslie. All right, Austin, here, let me hold it for you. You plug it in. What you plugging in now?
Fast motor.
Huh? Hold it right there. You're gonna have to hold it. What you got? What you got plugged in? What you?
Fast motor.
Is it turning? Hold on. Turn it around for me, son. I can't see it. Turn it around the other way. There you go. Now I can see it. All right. So that needs to drop down. All right, we got it. I'm going to hold it. Now plug the other one in. It's got to do it automatically. I'm going to sit down. Now, this is going to have to drop down when you unplug it. Drop, go. It dropped. Plug it up. As long as it's doing that, man, it's going to be working effectively. Unplug. Plug it up. The other one. There you go. That's the slow motor that you just built. Unplug. It's dropping down and plug it up. Yeah, man. Unplug. Plug in the slow motor. Yeah, and look at that. It's running strong. It's running strong. All right. Unplug. Plug in the fast. Yes. Yes. As long as that's doing that. One more time. Unplug. Plug in the slow. So as long as it's jumping down like that and making and changing, it's clutching. As long as it's clutching the way it's doing, unplug again. There you go. That's what you want to see. Yeah, man. As long as it's doing that, you got functioning. You got proper functioning. All right. You can unplug. Good job, little. Good job. Oh, man. All right. Listen. Sit that down over there for me. We're going to work on this bottom and see where we are with that, okay? Then we'll let you reinstall that. Set it up, set it up, set it up. Yeah, you want to set that up. Set it up over here. Just set it up by that amp somewhere. Uh-huh. Yeah, keep it setting up like that. There you go, buddy. Now, we're going to work on this one, see where we are, okay? All right, until the next time, Dr. Kemp, the Hammer Doc with little Austin over here doing some work. Hold on, son. Hold on. Peace out.